Maharanya, SEM 3, enrollment number 004.
Vishal Sora, SEM 3, enrollment number 02.
Varva Patel, SEM 3, enrollment number is 1010.
Spindle drill machine, basically used for mass production, where a large number of identical holes is to be drilled in workpiece. Machine is useful because it's allowed for drill machine to make hole in workpiece. It is mainly used to automotive and aerospace. There are many types of drills like pillar, heavy drill machine, vertical.
Myself, Varva Patel, we have made this multi-spindle prototype. Here we have used MS square hollow pipe for our base and column. Then we have also used for workpiece, we have used this wooden table. For our spindle, we have used round bar in which there is a column attached with a spur gear. We have performed many operations like welding at some at joints. Then we have also welded the round bar with a column, collar and spur gear. And we have to attach this in this we have made the drilling process at some point.
Now I will explain the method of it. Here we have used 3 gears and 3 shafts. First we have weld 3 shafts and 3 gears respectively, in which 2 shafts having similar length and 1 shaft having smaller than others. Instead of spindle, we have used shaft. The short shaft is set in the middle and the 2 shaft is kept in the other side of it. The 2 shafts we have used. The spindles are kept in such a row like this. We have adjusted the motor at the back side in the column. The motor is adjusted in such a way that it moves the middle spindle. The middle spindle is rotated in anti-clockwise with the help of motor. The motor is adjusted in such a way that it gives the power and used to transmit the middle gear. The middle gear is used to move anti-clockwise. So the middle gear is set in such a way that it can move and give power to other 2 gears. Now we have also used the spoiler in all 3 gears to maintain the height of it. All 3 gears. So the middle gear is driving gear and other 2 are driven gear. When the middle gear is rotating in anti-clockwise, the other 2 move in clockwise direction. So as we have required the direction of it, we can modify this machine into many spindles as per the use.